Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat pet cage. It's really neat because it's all acrylic. So when the pet goes in here, it's all see-through, so it doesn't feel like they're in some sort of a jail. It does have two locking doors that you can place wherever you want to have them. It's got a double lock on it to be able to let your pets in, so they can then go inside there. Close it up. You've got your two locks to be able to put in here. Now, each one of these is about 17-ish inches across, and they're 24 inches high. They've got a nice silicone bottom, so it'll stick to the floor. So that way, if your pet's trying to get in or out, easily lock them in where it's not going to move around. And this was so simple to put together. I love how easy all of this is to use. And it's super versatile. You have all of these extra pieces that you can put the cage, whether it's a small thing, you can actually move into where it intertwines, like to where it tees off, and you can put one pet on each side. You can close it off, all sorts of things. You can use this for rabbits, guinea pigs, whatever you want to use this cage for. This thing is up to the test. Easy to clean off. I love how clear it is, how lightweight. I mean, it sticks right on the ground, but you do have to use some force to it. But this would be great. It looks really nice. Can be used for a variety of different pets. Close it up, ready to use anytime you are.